Chapter 12 starts off with conductor fill of boxes based upon conductors, devices, and so forth. Now, this illustration deals with conductor fill in accordance with NEC 314.16, B as in boy, 1. Then notice we have a unmarked type barrier here, metal, 1/2 inch, non-metallic, 1 inch. Now, as the barriers, we shall be counted for 314.16 A and B. And that's what the unmarked barrier we're talking about. But here we don't have such a barrier. We're just counting conductor fill. Two straight pull-through conductors, as you see there, without pulling them into a loop or cutting them and splicing them, count 1 each. And that's what this illustration is showing. Conductors passing through count as 1 each. But remember that the barriers now, they shall be counted in accordance with 310.14.16 A and B. So I figure 12-1A is illustrating conductor fill with conductors passing through as illustrated and as required in 314.16 B1 as in boy.